But anyway, we'll move on to Fireboy. Okay, new Fireboy record. Another single gearing up for his album. His third album. Okay, now the record is called Playboy. Let's get into new record, Playboy, without further ado. Let's see how Fireboy is trying to get the excitement up for the new album. Same week that Rema dropped his debut album too. So let's see how it goes.
Girl, don't flex with the boy, your body is a matter. She wanna roll with the man them. When I drop, you know it's an anthem.
Oh yeah, I read this snippet.
Girl, you wanna play with a big playboy like me. Oof.
What's the oof? What's with the oof? Is it saying poof or oof? What's with that?
You know it's an anthem.
Yep.
Oof. Girl, you wanna play with a big playboy.
What's the like? You know what I mean? Usually when you say something like when you make a sound effect, at least you're insinuating or connecting it to something that you've already said. Like say, I go out or I disappear, like oof or something. You know what I mean? Like, or like poof, or it gets out like, you know what I mean? Usually you have, or say I'm exhausted, oof, or I'm tired or something, oof. I'm trying to say like usually when you make sound noises or sound effects, like maybe connecting it to something else. In this case, I guess it's just like, oh, I don't have anything to add here. Let me just throw in the sound effects for that. Is that what's going on here? It feels like it's taking a laid back approach so far, man. It seems like it's taking the laid back approach, but we'll see.
Oof. Girl, you wanna play with a big playboy.
But I like the bounce though.
Oof, like me. Oof. Your body is
Yo, that oof is gonna get annoying. I know that oof is gonna get. It's already taking me off, Loki. Like it's already taking me off. Like come on, man, Fireboy. Like it's already taking me off. I hope it let's see. I hope it works eventually, because this is my first time spinning the record. So I don't know. Maybe I'm being too hard on that oof because it's yeesh.
like me. Who you else know live a life like this? Hell to you stick to NYC. I'm always on the road, they be on my road. Don't play with a guy like this.
I like him name dropping cities, man. Name dropping cities is definitely a good way. I don't know if it's become a promotional tool, or at least it makes you feel like, oh yeah, I'm connecting to that part of the world, I'm connecting to that market. So yeah, I like that he did that. So far, the second verse sounds interesting. I don't know if, yes, you can make it. So far, the record is feeling like, yeah, this is playful, this is laid back, this is not the most lyrical, spiritual Fireboy you've seen. Like, it just feels like this is a flex record, and this is him trying to like have another anthem that feels, or at least channels in the same line or same atmosphere as Peru. So far is what I'm getting with this record. We see how it goes. Man. Okay, harmonies, let's go. So many of you think I'm a farmer. Come on, man. With the man them. It's an anthem. It's very wordy for a hook. I hope it's a hook that can catch on in the sense that people can sing along. It feels very wordy. It feels like it's squeezing a lot of words, but I'm sure if people pay attention, or at least pay very close attention to it, they might be able to sing along to it. But so far, it's not as sing-alongable in the same way Peru was. Like the chorus, it doesn't seem as simple as what we got from Peru. So definitely simplicity helps in the long way. In terms of retaining the audience. Okay, this part is simple. Yeah, you wanna play with a big playboy like me. Oh, it doesn't do the oof thing again in the second run. I noticed that. Oh man, this song is long, bro. Hey, I like that flow. I like the cadence it came in there with. Dun da da dun da da dun da da. I like it a lot. Hey, nonchalant on board that, oh shit. Ooh, harmony. It's a phantom. With a phantom. It's a phantom. See, I'll tell you what, the oof is an identifier. People will be like, oh, what's that Fireboy song that goes oof? You know what I mean? It's a definitely. I'm seeing it as a identifier of the song. It's gonna leave a mark. It leaves an impression already. You'll be like, oh, what's that song that goes oof? I guess that's something that could work with it. So yeah, potentially this sounds like it has a good feel to it. It has a good atmosphere around it. It definitely would do something. We would set a mark. It would make some noise. Now, as much as it can break around the noise of the records that we have today that are out now, and the new Rema that just dropped, as far as that goes, we don't know. Only time can tell. But I definitely feel like this should have some potential like commercial success to it. It definitely has that ring to it. And that oof thing is in my mind now. It's playing as a very, very like you see how like things can evolve over the span of like 2 minutes after playing the record. That oof thing came off really annoying in the beginning, but right now I can definitely see it play out as an identifier for the song. So it's interesting that how that evolved with me just in the span of two minutes.
Girl, you wanna play with a big playboy like me? Playboy like me. Girl, you wanna play with a big playboy like me?
It's low-key nostalgic too, man. I don't know why it's taking me back to like something early in the 2010s, you know? Alright, so where can we go from we're about to play Peru. Where can we go from here now? I think that was a good record. I think it was a good record. Good way to actually like, I mean, following up a song like Peru, like come on. I mean, it'll be hard not to even try and see a link between the two songs, because you can tell from a particular direction that he went with this one. This is not a romantic song. This is not necessarily a song that, like, you know what I mean, that praises or talks about heart. No, it's not heartfelt. It's not emotional. It doesn't have any strings. It doesn't have those chords that can like pull your heartstrings. You know what I mean? So it's a more playful atmosphere that he's trying to set with this one. Clearly you can see the similar direction as Peru, like I mentioned. The record definitely feels like it has some hit potential, you know? Like the chorus as fun as like, you know what I mean, as like it's quite wordy though. That's the thing. My only issue is it's very wordy for a chorus. Like it has a lot of words that can get lost immediately, but towards the end it kind of saves it with "Girl, you wanna roll with a big playboy like me." I like that part. I think that's kind of simple to some extent. "Girl, you wanna roll with a big playboy like me." I think that could work. That has something to hold on to. Definitely the oof things are nothing to hold on to. It's not a bad record. I don't think it's all the way like as exciting as it was when the first time I heard Peru. Like the excitement obviously is not there. Like it's not there yet. Like it's not a bad bop. It has a very nice bounce to it. It's a kind of nice bounce that it doesn't provoke you to stand up and do a lot. But it's a nice bounce that can, like, it could still go up in a club as a nice like background feel, but I don't think it's super like exciting. It's an okay way to follow up Peru and an okay way to open up the rounds or the moments for a new album. I'm not mad at the record. Definitely I can see it growing potentially on me. But not all the way excited on this record. If I could put a number to it, I'll definitely feel like an 8 on this one. If I was able to put a number, and I'll definitely feel like an 8 for this record. But yeah, shout out to Big Fireboy, man. Like I like that cadence in the second verse. The second verse was nice. I thought that was like a good play of it. The song feels quite lengthy for a single in today's era, but I think it kind of helps because he's repeating the chorus I think 3 times or 4 times here, so it's quite helpful that it can help get the chorus kind of engraved in your head. So at least he's making use of that extra time that he's added. So yeah, it's quite lengthy, but yes, we see how far this can go, man.